You're watching Tap Tech, the channel where we dive deep into the latest tech and give you honest reviews that matter. Today we're looking at something truly different, a drone that is designed to make flying easier, safer, and smarter. The HoverAir Aqua is not just another drone. It's a product that tries to change the way people use drones, with features that make it stand out in a crowded market. If you've ever wondered what a drone built for everyday fun and usability looks like, this one might catch your attention. The HoverAir Aqua comes with specifications that are simple but impressive for its category. It's a lightweight drone weighing less than most smartphones, making it easy to carry anywhere. It features a built-in camera capable of shooting 4K video at 30 frames per second and taking sharp photos with HDR support. The drone has electronic image stabilization for smoother footage, and the company claims that even in windy conditions, the stability remains good. It has obstacle avoidance sensors on multiple sides, which is rare in drones at this size. The maximum flight time is around 20 minutes, depending on how you use it, and it supports quick charging to get you back in the air without long waits. When it comes to design and build quality, the HoverAir Aqua has a unique look compared to traditional drones. It has a foldable design that makes it portable, and it uses lightweight materials while still feeling durable enough for regular outdoor flights. The propellers are protected by a cage-like structure, which makes it safer to fly near people. This design choice also means fewer accidents if you bump into something. It's built with the idea that anyone can use it without worrying too much about damaging the drone or the environment around it. The display side comes in the form of its connected app. You won't find a controller with physical joysticks here. Instead, HoverAir Aqua uses a smartphone app that acts as the display and controller. Through the app, you can see a live video feed, adjust flight modes, and control the camera. The interface is clean and simple, clearly targeted at beginners who want an easy way to start flying. The app also supports gesture control and pre-programmed flight paths, which makes creating videos more fun without needing advanced piloting skills. Performance is one of the most important aspects of any drone. The HoverAir Aqua isn't built for professional cinematography, but it delivers smooth and stable flights. It can hover with good accuracy, thanks to its positioning sensors. The top speed is modest, but enough for casual flying. One of its standout features is the obstacle avoidance system. Many small drones skip this feature, but here you get intelligent detection that helps the drone avoid collisions, making it much safer to use even in tight spaces. It's not perfect in every scenario, but it adds a layer of confidence when flying. Software and features are where HoverAir Aqua really shines. It supports multiple shooting modes like Follow Me, Orbit, and Waypoint navigation. These modes allow the drone to automatically capture dynamic shots while you focus on the activity. Gesture control is another highlight. With simple hand movements, you can take selfies, start recording, or even make the drone follow you. The companion app makes editing and sharing quick as well, with built-in templates for social media. This shows that the drone is clearly designed with creators in mind. Battery life is around 20 minutes per charge, which is decent for its size. Charging takes about 40 minutes, and you can buy extra batteries to extend your flying sessions. While 20 minutes might not sound like much, for a drone of this class it's pretty standard, and the quick charging makes it less of an issue. For gaming or creative performance, this drone is not about raw power but about usability. It's designed to make flying accessible to people who might be new to drones. For content creators, the stability and intelligent shooting modes provide tools to capture interesting footage without much effort. While it won't replace a high-end camera drone, it gives beginners and hobbyists enough creative flexibility to enjoy. The speakers and audio are not directly part of this drone, since drones generally don't capture sound during flight. Instead, the focus is on capturing clean visuals. The app, however, supports adding audio tracks and quick edits for video, which gives users a way to create ready-to-share clips. Connectivity is straightforward. The HoverAir Aqua connects to your smartphone via Wi-Fi, providing a stable link for controlling and live streaming video. The range isn't as long as larger drones, but it's enough for short-distance flying. The app also allows quick sharing of videos and photos directly to social platforms, which is a big plus for casual users. Price and value will depend on what you're looking for in a drone. The HoverAir Aqua is priced lower than many professional drones but higher than basic toy drones. For the price, you're getting a safe, portable, and feature-rich drone that is clearly made for beginners and social media creators. It's not a professional tool, but it offers good value if you want ease of use and reliable performance without spending thousands. Looking at the pros, the HoverAir Aqua is lightweight, portable, and very beginner-friendly. The design is safe with protected propellers. It offers obstacle avoidance, gesture controls, and creative flight modes. The app makes it simple to use, and video quality is solid for casual content. On the downside, flight time is limited, range is not as long as bigger drones, and professional users may find the camera performance limited compared to high-end drones. Still, for its target audience, these are fair trade-offs. In the end, the HoverAir Aqua is a drone made for people who want a fun, easy, and safe flying experience. It's not trying to be the most powerful or professional drone on the market. Instead, it focuses on accessibility, creativity, and safety. If you're new to drones or just want something that you can take out, fly quickly, and capture moments without stress, this drone is worth considering. It proves that drones don't have to be complicated to be enjoyable. You've been watching Tap Tech, where we break down the latest gadgets so you know exactly what you're getting. If you enjoyed this review and want to see more honest takes on new tech, make sure to stay tuned for our next video.